Oh, what happened to your face, John? It looked like a heat rash.
It's a razor burr. I cut myself when I shaved this morning. The burns and cuts are really irritating.
I know how you feel. Maybe you shouldn't have grown a long beard.
Well, I thought it would be fun and would make me look more mature and sophisticated.
Yeah, my mature man.
Come on, any advice?
Maybe you could shave in the shower. The steam really helps soften your beard and mustache.
Sounds like a good idea.
And you should avoid pressing too hard or tugging on your skin while shaving.
I guess I've been stretching it too often when I shave.
I would also suggest you try this cream I have. Use it on the affected area. It really helps moisturize your skin and lessen irritations.